Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to texture our toaster. So let's go ahead and just select these objects and do Edit, Delete All by Type, History. And then let's click on Arnold and grab a sky dome light. Alright, I think first I'm just going to select the whole object and texture it. So hold right click, do Assign New Material, do Shader, AI Standard Surface, and then I'm going to up the metalness and make it like a gray color. Like that typical gray toaster, you know what I mean. I want to add, diffuse some of that roughness on specular. And then next up, I'm going to go into face mode, and I want to select this and all of this guy. Just hold tab and you can click one and then double click the next to select all of those guys. And then I also want to select all of these guys, so I'm just double clicking for those. And then I want to select these. For this, you'll just have to hold tab and drag. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab these feet as well, which I think I'm just going to do in front view. You can click space to get over here and then just hold shift and just drag. Alright. Don't forget to deselect these guys. Now I'm going to hold right click, go down to Assign New Material, Shader, Standard Surface. I'm going to make this one black, but up the roughness so it's like a plasticky material. And then let's click on Arnold and then render. You can see how it's turned out. Also, I would click on poly modeling and grab a plane and scale it on up, and then assign a new material to it. Same thing, standard surface, and then change the color to checker. I just usually make it checker because it gives it something to play with the textures. Okay, let's edit. I want to make that metalness a bit more effective. You can also make these guys metal if you want it to look more metallic. Alright. Oh, I missed a side of this guy. Don't forget this face. You can just assign it the existing material. So I think 4 was that black. Alright, I'm going to go look at my render settings real quick. I want it to come out as a JPEG. I'm going to make mine my 1920 by 1080, and then I usually make it 300. Alright, there we go. Now it might look a bit more detailed when we look at it. Oh, there we go. Just trying to figure out how to make it more metallic. There it is. So you can just kind of play with the roughness a bit. Usually these kinds of guys are pretty metallic, but don't take it too far. Maybe like that looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks like it's rendering pretty well. I'll leave it kind of up to you guys on how you want to do that, but there's also a lot of other stuff you can play with. So totally feel free to kind of explore kind of like the metal texture of the toaster. But that's about it for this, guys. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below or email me or DM me on Instagram. All of those work. But I will see you guys for our next tutorial. Bye, guys!